to make some easy sausage balls. To make this, you just need a few simple ingredients: your favorite breakfast sausage, some sharp cheddar cheese, and Bisquick mix. To get started, take your sausage, crumble it into a large bowl, then mix in 1 pack of shredded sharp cheddar cheese and mix that very well until it is all combined with the sausage. Once it is combined, you want to add in your Bisquick mix and continue mixing until everything is incorporated very, very well. Now it is time to roll the sausage into balls. I like to make them about 1/2 inch size in diameter. Once they are rolled, I place them into a cast iron skillet, place them into the oven to allow them to cook. I do rotate them periodically throughout as they are cooking so that all the sides get nice and brown. And once you are finished, here is the end result. Some delicious sausage balls that are quick and easy.